Hello everyone, I will submit you the presentation of Muğla Metropolitan Municipality, which I will call 3M from now on, regarding the project management system of Department of Public Works and Engineering, and which I will call DPWE from now on. The project objectives of the Department of Public Works and Engineering, DPWE, which has the largest project production capacity and therefore the spending authority within 3M, have the following attributes. By installing the best functional solution to the area allocated to it, environmentalist, innovator, aesthetic, efficient and productive, complete projects. Why project management system? Basic purposes. It is the design of a project management system for planning, organization, implementation, and control processes for all projects carried out. The main goals are stakeholder satisfaction, reduction of time and errors in project processes, and activation of organizational learning and teamwork. In addition, it is aimed to set an example as it is the first in the public sector. The need to establish a corporate project management system has arisen in order to achieve the goals and objectives mentioned in the projects. Muğla Metropolitan Municipality Project Management System 3MPMS installation. As the important work package of this project, analysis, planning, implementation, monitoring, and control processes are defined. The project team was selected from various units within the institution and assigned to the project, and the project coordinator and project sponsor responsible for the project were determined. The project is divided into 3 phases in order to manage processes effectively and efficiently. We have 3 phases of the project management system. Phase 1, current situation analysis. Phase 2, system building. And Phase 3, simulation, system test. The project management system installation work time plan has 3 periods, as you see on the slide. In Phase 1, it is 1.5 months. In Phase 2, it's 3 months. And it's Phase 3, it's for 1.5 months again. Project phases and obtained findings. Phase 1, current situation analysis. In order for the 3M DPWE project management system to be used effectively and efficiently and to be compatible with the corporate culture and business methods, the current situation of the system was analyzed before the design and installation of the system. In the current situation analysis, project groups and project types are classified first. It has been determined that it is gathered in 6 main groups, and these main groups have subgroups. It has been observed that 8 different types of project exists in 3M DPWE. And on this slide you can see the detailed model of our corporate project management system for each phases. And on this slide we have 17 project success factors, just like clear, accurate, and timely identification of needs, analysis with relevant stakeholders, or harmonious work of the project team. These are just examples. And 15 qualifications required by project managers, such as well coordination, being technical staff, effective communication abilities, emphasis on the project team's thoughts, and using common mind. Design and installation of project management system. Phase 2. Creating accurate, reliable corporate information and corporate memory related to projects. Transferring the institutional information about the projects to the top management and making the decisions of the top management based on real and accurate data. Measuring and controlling the performance of projects using a certain methodological and technological platform. Correct the planning, managing, and increasing resource efficiency of the institution's resources. Dissemination and adoption of modern project management culture in the institution. The project management system within the Department of Public Works and Engineering of Muğla Metropolitan Municipality was established with reference to the methodological approach of the Project Management Institute, as called PMI, which is known and recognized on the international platform. 5 basic project management processes: initiation, planning, implementation, monitoring, and control completion, determined by PMI, are defined specifically for corporate projects, taking into account business processes. And now you can see the detailed design and installation process of our project management system. An interface management is envisaged between the current processes of 3MDPWE and the processes of PMI. The form infrastructure contains 10 information fields of PMI has been created. The Project Management Office PMO, which will make the whole system functional, has been defined within the organization, and its duties and responsibilities have been determined. While the projects are monitored and controlled according to the criteria demanded by the top management, it is planned to make a systematic effort to finish the projects within the planned period, in defined scope and quality at the targeted costs. The Project Management Office has been defined at 2 levels, taking into account the internal dynamics of the organization to serve the functioning of DPWE. Level 1 Project Management Office, Project Application and Control Office, as called PACO. And Level 2 is Project Management Office, as called PMO. And on this slide, you can see our project monitoring and control process, project management process, and department work steps in detailed way, in detailed bullets, and its sub-bullets. System test, simulation, phase 3. 2 important projects of the institution have been selected to carry out the testing process: Menteşe Terminal project and one of the road projects. Important in terms of budget and scope, has an important place in the budget of the institution. As a result of the project management system test studies, the problems experienced in both projects have become visible and solutions in MPMS have been introduced. When the system was designed, the teams had the ability to work together in accordance with the system rules. MPMS form infrastructure is working and adopted by the team and started to be used. The individual learning obtained from the problems and solutions found in both projects started to be studied by taking into consideration the next similar projects. And the conclusion: the most important competencies that should be in the project manager for 3M PMS are: it is defined as being able to coordinate well, to produce solutions to problems, to support the team spirit, to be neutral and equitable to team members, to be open to innovations and innovative ideas. The life period between the beginning and the end of the project management services is defined by the interface management so that it can adapt to the operation of the existing processes of 3M. Simulation projects show that using the proposed project system might improve the success rates of the projects in terms of efficient planning, cost, quality, time, and scope control. Full-scale implementation of the project management system requires updates in regulations of the municipality. Furthermore, integration of the project management system with the current IT infrastructure, positioning it as a separate project, is required for the efficient use of the system. In order to implement this system, studies are carried out for the establishment of the Project Management Office, the addition of the project management system to the institution's regulations and processes, the approval of the duties of the project sponsor, project manager, project coordinator, and the project team, and adaptation of MPYS to the corporate structure. Thank you for listening to me.